Hi, buddy. Welcome back to another episode of Musings of Star Anish. There is no power, and I really can't tell much with this light straight in my face. Wow, this is going to be painful. Uh, Today's the 100th episode. I was supposed to do some quick Q&A, but I didn't really get any cues. I was supposed to get some, didn't get some, I don't know. But you know what? It finally happened. I've been waiting for it for so long, and it finally happened. What was it? I got soaked in the rain today. Yes, it took me 2 weeks of snipping in and out of rains wherever I'm at, but finally it happened today, and boy did it like really happen. It was knee deep in water. The scooter shut down inside a flooded tunnel, and then managed to push the whole thing out. It started next to immediately, but then it was kind of like my job to like stop people and say, hey, don't do this. This is a stupid thing to do. Don't ride through. Your bike might not, your bike will definitely stall, and then it might or might not start up after that. Felt like old Bangalore. um, I don't think the whole of last year I got this soaked in rain anywhere, let alone have a little misadventure where you're knee deep in water. Yes, knee deep, in fact more than knees. Like my pants were like really soaked, and I have the whole scooter shut down, and there were people with their Activas whose silencers had water in them, so we were shaking it, lifting it up a little wall, holding the front brake for grip, and like hoping that all the water kind of drips out of the exhaust. It was funny. So with this light, I'm not going to do any Q&As. I cannot stare at this anymore. But that brings an end to today's musings. Good night and see you. I think 100th episode was totally worth it. Amazing adventure. Oof, wow. Bye.